I'm working the rule joint on this butterfly table. So I've got one side done. I'm working on the other drop leaf. And here you can see the detail of this rule joint with the drop leaf down here and the top section, middle top section up here, and a hinge located at that position. Now I've done this part of the rule joint, and there's a template that I have to check that out, and I use that template also to make a scraper blade to finish this off. So this was used to really get that for a nice fit on the other part. Now here is the drop leaf section of the top, and here's the template for it. You can see maybe some pencil line here that I had as a reference. Now I had a smaller router that routed out some of this, but then I had to chop out with this carving gouge to 722, and so that knocked out some of the material. And I even, in some cases, used a little bit of a smaller carving tool to knock out. Now I'm pretty close to where I need to be, and I can use this end of the homemade scraper blade to get it down to the final shape. And then I can check it with this template and see if that closes up properly. I think I've got it pretty good in this area here. Now back here, let me those pencil marks really help to tell me where I'm removing material. Then I can check it with that. So this seems to be getting it down to where it has to go. A little bit of a rough grain in here, but with a scraper blade that reduces the tear out. Okay, let me see how that looks. pretty close. So I'm going to keep going back here, and then I'll be able to put the hinges on here and test it with the center part of the rule joint.